Hey guys, welcome back to the Family Fun channel. Today I'm gonna teach you the people. Okay, the materials are super duper easy to find. All you need is just a piece of A4 paper. Okay, that easy, so simple. Okay. Not simple, dimple, so simple and easy. Okay, so first you're gonna take this, you're gonna put it in portrait, and then you're gonna take the top part and fold it to the bottom part. Okay, good. Now we're gonna take this, my left, okay, it's over here, and fold it to the right. You can start from the right, fold it to the left. It's okay, your choice. Okay, then. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, so after that, you have something like a smaller card. Okay, there we go. Now we have a straight line. Okay. After that, we're gonna take this corner. You want to start with your left, you start with your right. It's okay, your choice. And fold it. I'm gonna start with my right, okay? And fold it to the middle line. If you can't really see the line, you can use a pencil to draw it. Okay, there we go. Fold to the middle line. Now let's get this thing to fold it to here as well. Oh, come on. Just fold it. Just fold it. Okay, sorry guys, just now my audio is not working. So we have something that can resembles a hat, and we're gonna go down. You see this little hole here? This little hole? Yeah, exactly little. You open up and you push it upwards. Okay, I'll do it again. Oh wait. Oops. Okay, so there we go. So we have a hat, has a hole, fold it upwards. Don't worry about the excess part, just simply fold it. Voila! Has something like a diamond shape. Now we're gonna take this part and fold it to the up part. Okay. Okay, there we go. Gonna take here and fold it upwards too. Oh wait, hold on. Let's fold it, baby. Okay, there we go. Have another triangle, and repeat the same. You're gonna fold it again. Pop. Fold it. Okay, let me show you guys. We have the hole, open up, fold it upwards. Okay, here's my fun part. I'm gonna take these two edges and boom. I said I'm gonna take these two edges and boom. It's okay. You can just go ahead and fold. If you say, come on, why my boat is not standing? You can flip to the bottom. Then open up the hole. There's a hole here. And it might stand. Voila! Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe and click on the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Boom, boom, boom.